What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Next Moon YT channel. Today I'm gonna share another tip with you guys. Make sure you subscribe, share, and like this video. It'll help us out a great bit in growing this channel. So in front of me, you see my brown tires. So I have not gone mudding. I have not rolled over any poop. I use my car like a normal driver would. Just mostly city driving. And my tires are turning brown. So what's happening? Stay tuned. I'm going to tell you what it is and how to clean it. Here are my back tires. They're the same browning condition all over. So what's happening to my tires to cause this browning is called tire bloom. So what is tire bloom? Tire bloom is chemicals in your tires that are coming up to the surface and turning brown. The reason this happens are to release the tires from their molds when they're made. The molds are sprayed with a chemical to help it release easily. Think of your pan when you spray some Pam on it. When you cook, the food will not stick to it. So that's the same idea. Some of this chemical used as a releaser could be turning your tires brown. So it'll vary with each manufacturer. The second reason is the introduction of a chemical called anti-ozint. So basically, tires have been injected with chemicals to help them last longer in the sun. If you look at older tires, you'll notice there are little cracks and lines all over the wheels. This is sun damage, and it's basically the sun causing dry rot. So the anti-ozint is chemicals used to prevent dry rot of your tires, and it's basically gives it UV protection. And the chemicals is all embedded in the tires, but they tend to come to the surface. When they do, those chemicals are the browning that you see. So that's basically what tire blooming is. Okay, so we can clean this off to make our tires look a little more presentable, and I'll show you how. The solution I found to be best used for removing the brownness around your tires is Super Clean. I have Super Clean in this bottle. I will leave a link in the description. What Super Clean is a automotive degreaser, and it's alkaline base, so it's based on salt. What it does is provides a cleaning and a degreasing for all the chemical and gook that might be staining the tires. So here we go. This is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna just spray the tires. We don't need to spray the wheel. The tire is the rubber part. The wheel is the middle part. So we're gonna be a little generous. And I should mention that Super Clean is dilutable, meaning when you buy it, it's at full concentration, and you can add water to reduce the strength of it. So I'm using a 1 to 3 dilution, meaning 1 ounce of product, I'm adding 3 ounces of water to it. Okay, so as you can see, it's turning brown, and you can see the grease being broken down. And if I show you the ground, there's a brown puddle. That's all the chemicals being wiped away by the Super Clean. So Super Clean is also nice in that it doesn't smell horrible. So that's why I use it. So let it sit and do its work. And we're gonna do a little scrubbing. We're gonna spray some more. That brown foam you see is the gunk being destroyed by the Super Clean. So we're gonna keep doing this step by step until we don't see any more of this brown foam. So I've gone and hosed down the tires, and you can see the trail of gunk that's coming out. Okay, so I'm gonna continue to add another round and get these tires even cleaner. So look at the trail of gunk. Okay, that was all on your tires. So here is a before shot, and here are the final results. This is after 2 passes of spraying and scrubbing, and I think at least 90% of all the blooming has been removed. Obviously there's still a little bit that needs to be touched up. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up so we can grow this channel more.